cute. What's your name?
Elizabeth Perez po.
Ilan taong ka na?
Bali, 23 years old po.
Talaga, you look young, ah. Mukha kang young and fresh. Bongga.
Salamat
May
po.
boyfriend ka?
Wala po.
Oh, Elizabeth, good luck, ha. Galingan mo.
Okay po.
Go.
Salamat po.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ay, babaeng nagbe-beatbox.
I'm Slim Shady designer, Slim Shady, all orders, Slim Shady are just too imitating to wander. Slim Shady, please stand up, please stand up, please stand up. Design Slim Shady designer, Slim Shady, all orders, Slim Shady are just too imitating to wander. Slim Shady, please stand up, please stand up, please stand up.
Ano ba yan ang sumagot sa call center? I have a problem with my credit card. Hold on, sir.
Special favorite hangout ko, 7-Eleven, Quezon City, yun doon ako napadpad. Walang katao-tao doon, and yo, it was so sad. Nang may biglang pumasok, isang chito, ang ganda.
Wala kainis, walang nitis, pati ako siya.
Mata niya ay kulay brown, partial ang kanyang ngipin. Kamukha siya ni Elizabeth Perez kung iisipin. Gusto ko ang umutot, pero iba ang lumabas. Break it down. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Hindi ako handa kasi ang sweet-sweet ng mukha mo. Different, it's unique. Kaya lang, we have to judge you on the talent.
Really, ginulat mo kami. First time na babae ang nag-defeat box, no?
Apo.
But yung nadinig namin in the previous PGT, mas maraming sounds na napoproduce.
Apa.
Ladies,
Ako, I feel you have to enhance it a little more. For now, magno-no ako.
Ako rin. Damihan mo pa yung sound mo. Pero tama yan, mag-beatbox ka kasi walang nag-beatbox na babae.
damihan mo lang yung sounds na napoproduce mo.
Apo.
Then you aspire with the guys. Kasi kalaban mo sila eh.
Aha.
But you're cute, no?
Cute
Salamat
na.
po.
Oo.
But it's also a no, yeah.
Balik ka, Papa.